Whenever you log into the platform, this is the dashboard you should see. Whenever you have questions, don't hesitate to navigate to the help pages where there's plenty of suggested workflows and guidance on how the calculations are performed on the back end of the Novi platform. You also can reach out to the customer care team by submitting a support ticket, write a brief description, and they'll be in contact with you shortly. To start, let's go ahead and navigate into Data Engine, where we will upload a few example source files, and then we'll talk about how merging multiple source files and building an analytics ready dataset comes after we get through these first steps. To start, we're going to upload a subsurface source file. Once we navigate into the subsurface sources dashboard, we'll come in and import and choose the XYZ file that we want to use. The file formatting must be either an XYZ or CSV, and it's broken down by formation and rock property. Then we'll choose the longitude, latitude, and feature value of this subsurface file. In this case, I know this rock property is the V clay, and I know the formation is the Wolfcamp A. Once the file is done processing, you'll get a quick preview of what it looks like geospatially. Once we're happy with the results, we can save. Then we'll come in and upload a directional survey. Depending on your license with Novi, you may have several options available. In this case, you'll see I can either upload a local file, or I can use the Novi's Insight Engine data, where it will automatically pull the latest and greatest from Novi's data platform. For this example, we'll upload an individual file. After the file is done processing, you'll be prompted with a few mapping options. First, we're going to indicate that our index, or our primary key, is going to be API. And then, we're going to choose the coordinate reference system that we know our source file is within. After the file is done loading, you'll have some additional cues to let you know if there's bad data within your source file. Now we'll upload an example production file. Similar to the directional survey, there's multiple options available, and in addition to that is Novi Data Network, which is a proprietary private data license that Novi has to empower its customers to build machine learning models using the most accurate data possible. In this example, we're still going to upload an individual file. When you first upload it, you will be prompted for a file type, whether it's a daily production file or a monthly production file. In this example, it is a monthly production file. After the file is done processing, again you'll be prompted for auto mapping. In this case, we're still working with APIs, and we're going to indicate our fluid volumes, which I know in this example is barrels and MCF. Again, after it's done processing, you'll have a few extra cues to let you know if you've had bad data in your source. In this case, we know that we're missing days on because we're working with public data. In the last example, we're going to look at uploading a well header file. Again, here you'll have multiple options to choose either Novi's Insight Engine data, Novi Data Network, or upload an individual file. Again, we're going to choose API. We know that the date format of this example file is in year, 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 month, month, day, day. And we're choosing the coordinate reference system for any of the locational data in the header. We're also going to specify any units for lengths, mass, and volumes. And I know in this example file my volume units are in gallons. You'll also notice that in my uploaded file, the naming convention is consistent to the output fields within Novi. and so it has already mapped these fields for me. Once we're done, we can save this and move on to building a collection.